three biggest trends. I would say that first one, most visible, is basically putting the quality of assets over the number. We can see that in Q1 in Poland there was over 30% of growth of real estate transactions in terms of volume of the transactions. But we also can see that the number of transactions is lower. So we basically can observe that investors are looking more on the quality assets, which are more expensive and or more valuable in terms of the market. Second one is, I would say, looking on the kind of alternative assets like mixed use, mixed purpose, maybe PRS, also senior living. Those are the, let's say, alternative assets which are observed by the investors. And the third one is obviously geopolitical situation and our location. We can see logistic area is booming again because of the war and because of the problem in transportation by the sea. So that's, I would say, are the three most visible trends right now. You know, the opportunity is always where the demand is, and we can see a huge demand gap in the senior living area, which is obviously also a topic of today's event. So that's one. Another one is probably, as I mentioned, logistic, which we can see is booming right now and is growing significantly. I would say that also mixed use, PRS, or PRS mixed with commercial, maybe prime offices. These are the topics which we can see that are right now observed by the investors. Well, you know, regulations are always somehow influencing, but I would say that in Polish market, regulations are not maybe blocking or slowing down the investments. They're rather rewarding good preparation and good application of regulations. And this we can see that our clients, investors or operating entities are more likely to discuss their plans with advisors, with lawyers, to be prepared for the regulatory environment.